the subscribe button and the bell to never miss out any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So 2 days left for Halloween. So today I'm going to share with you guys a Halloween design, which is this scary skull nail art. I hope you guys like this design, and I've showed each and every step to create this design. So I'm not going to waste any more time. Let's go and jump right into it. So I'm starting this design by applying white nail polish on my ring finger, grey on my middle finger, and red on my index and pinky finger. By the way, all the products I will be using in this video will be listed down in the description box. So if you guys want to know them and want to buy them, then you can check it out. Next, I'm using this white 3D gel pen by Brown Pretty to create the skull. Now while making the skull, I'm watching a skull picture in front of me. It's always better to have a reference picture, and that way the design comes out way better. Now while doing this skull, make sure you cure this gel polish section by section you are doing it. I haven't shown each and every part I have cured it, but you must do it. Otherwise it will happen that the inner section of the gel pen is still wet and the outer portion is dry. It happens if you don't cure it properly by layer after layer. Now creating a skull might look a bit hard, but if you follow the steps I'm doing, then you will easily do it. Once the skull is done, I'm using these 2 acrylic paint, that is the yellow and the black one, for the painting. First I'm using the black acrylic paint and creating this design on my index finger. Next, using the same black paint, I'm first creating a black shadow type effect at the top of my middle finger. And then I'm creating a haunted hand at the bottom. Now for the skull, I'm going to use both the yellow and the black paint. First I'm using just the yellow paint, then I've used yellow mixed with little bit of black, and at last I've done the shading with the black. Just follow the steps I have done in this video and you will be able to achieve the design I have done. and I'm going to do the same design I've done on my index onto my pinky. Then I've sponged little bit of red paints at the side of the haunted hand. And also applied the yellow paints at the side of the skull. Next I've used this glow in the dark powder along with Brown Pretty gel top coat and use it onto the eyes and the nose of the skull. It's just to give that haunted glow effect at the night. Now once everything is done, I have applied matte top coat on all my nails. Now if you want, you can go with a glossy top coat, but I will suggest to apply matte top coat for the skull. You can go with the glossy for the other nails, but for the skull, make sure you use matte. It will look better with the matte top coat. And this is the final design. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And comment down below whether you guys like it or not, and if you guys have some different type of video suggestion, then make sure you do so on the comments below. I would love to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.